What's going on, everyone? So today I was just uploading some of my latest tutorials to YouTube, and I thought to myself, why have I not made a video about YouTube? I've been using it for a while now, and I have a lot of tricks, tips, and resources that I think are useful that I want to share with you. So now I'm going to do that with my 10 favorite. Also, once again for this video, I've teamed up with my friends over at Logic Keyboard. We're giving away another one of those super cool, awesome backlit shortcut keyboards. If you win the contest, you basically get to pick whatever keyboard you want. If you're using After Effects, if you're using Premiere Pro, if you're using Photoshop, Resolve, Avid, doesn't matter, they have a keyboard for you definitely. To be eligible to win the keyboard, all you need to do is like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. The comment should be something related to a YouTube trick that you find super helpful that's not already on my list here. Let me know. I want to learn some new stuff, as I'm sure everybody else does. I will pick my favorite, that person will win the keyboard. So please, share with the community, let me know, and win yourself a keyboard. So when you start uploading regular content to your YouTube channel, you'll probably find out quickly that you're entering a lot of repetitive information with every upload. This includes categories, tags, descriptive information, and other settings for the video. You can really save time and avoid entering all this information with the custom upload defaults. Enter this information in the Creator Studio under the Channel Upload Defaults section. Now every time you upload a new video, all this information will automatically populate. One of my favorite and a pretty lesser known tip is the adding time links. Now this allows users to quickly jump to a specific time in your YouTube video by simply writing the time in the description or in a comment. It's really as simple as writing the time and a link will automatically be created. I use this for my listicle style videos or just when I want to direct someone in a comment to a specific spot in my video. So when you search a video on Google's homepage, the first 100 or so characters are going to show up in the video's description. So to keep things nice and neat, I avoid putting links in my first line. Instead, I write a brief summary adhering to this character limit, which is again roughly 100 characters. This is usually right around 15 words or so. Once you do this, it should look really nice and clean in the search results. A lot of you might already be aware of this next tip, but I figured I'd share it anyways because it's very important to those of you who don't know it, and that's finding good royalty-free music. And you can do that right inside of YouTube. They provide a library of audio assets including both music and sound effects. Simply go to the Creator Studio and then go to Create Audio Library. Here you can search music tracks by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and licensing information. Another really great tip to know about is the fact that you can create a custom YouTube URL. Now, to be eligible, your channel must have at least 100 subscribers, be more than 30 days old, and have an uploaded photo as a channel icon and uploaded channel art. If you're eligible and you want to request, simply go to the Creator Studio and select Channel, Status and Features, Custom URL. So if you've ever been interested in collaborating with another YouTuber but you're just a little too intimidated or you can't find the time, you can start off by collaborating with a simple playlist. Now to set this up, go into Creator Studio and select Video Manager Playlist. Open up your desired playlist, go to the playlist settings and select Collaborate. Once you set up these collaboration settings for the playlist, other creators will be able to add videos via a link that you can share with them. In addition to collaborating on a playlist, you can also set up a rule that will automatically add a video to a playlist. For example, you can just add a rule to a playlist that will automatically add videos containing a specific word in the title, description, or tag. You can find this auto add feature directly next to the Collaborate tab. Browser extensions like TubeBuddy and VidioIQ will help you quickly optimize and boost the view and subscriber count of your channel. These tools will help you with things like productivity, SEO, processing, and promotion, and the free version gives you an insane number of features. So the thumbnail is obviously an important part of your YouTube video, and it's often the deciding factor as to whether a viewer will watch your video or not. So it's important to take the time to make an enticing image. If you lack design skills, then check out this website called Canva. It's user-friendly and allows you to quickly create a YouTube thumbnail utilizing these templates and an extremely easy drag and drop interface. No design skills needed. Last but not least is the transcript feature. So every time you upload a video to YouTube, these captions will automatically be transcribed. Now this is extremely useful if you're a documentary filmmaker or anyone who's working with transcripts. You can essentially upload a video with the sole purpose of generating a transcript. Just set your video to private and then download the transcript file once it's finished. You can find these options by going into the Creator Studio and going to Videos, Edit, Settings, Subtitles. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Those are my 10 favorite YouTube tips, tricks, and resources. And again, let me know what your favorite tip is in the comment section. I'm going to be picking my favorite comment. That person's going to win a free Logic Keyboard, backlit, Astra series, blah, blah. It's an awesome keyboard. That's all you need to know. So be sure to check back in a few months. I'll be picking that winner, and it might be you.